Hi you, and welcome back to Pond House Garden. Today is a very special day. I have just come back from the hospital where I got to hold my grandson number 2 for the very first time. He was born at 3:30-ish in the morning, and within the first 5 hours, we were down there greeting him and welcoming him to the world. So today is truly a special day, and you know, just holding him in my arms, you know, there's nothing better than holding a newborn in your arms and just counting all the fingers and all the toes, and he's got this cute little crease right across his nose, and his little lip his bottom lip would disappear and then come back out again. I mean, he's just so special, and he is so different than his brother, which is so cool in every way. They're definitely going to be very different boys from one another, which is a blessing for my stepdaughter, because we weren't sure if she was going to have a girl or not. She didn't get a girl, but she definitely got a dark-haired 8-pound little boy. And yeah, I don't even know what to say. It's so emotional. It's just so beautiful. So with that being said, I am going to do something today that it makes it easy to remember this special day. I am going to go and buy a plant as a little baby plant, and then every year on this little guy's birthday, I'm going to take a picture of the plant and how much it's grown in the garden, and this plant will be dedicated to him, and I'm going to create a garden bed around this special plant with all of his favorite colors, and I'm hoping to, you know, as the years progress, anything that speaks to me for that garden bed, I'm going to add, and it will be his magical garden that he can come and visit at our place. So enough of that and enough of the tears. Oh my gosh, I'm just so happy. Okay, here we go. Let's do some shopping. So I drove down to Victoria, and I am at Wildwood. What's it? Wildwood Outdoor Living Centre. I think that's what it's called. So we just know it as Wildwood, and they've got a fantastic selection of indoor plants, planters, bulbs, and a whole outdoor area, which you'll see in a moment. So I feel really confident that I'll be able to find the exact plant I want for the grandbaby's garden. Let's go. These are so cute for your desk. Oh, I'm gonna take some of these into my office. I really like this one. Of course, staff pick. Oh, and what is this? Wow, this is beautiful. Look at how it's all purple, and then some of it's 50-50 green and purple, and then it's green, and it's gorgeous. And it's already being trained to go across a building. And this is Hearts of gold. Oh, I don't know enough about this one. I'm gonna look this up for sure. Gorgeous. Gorgeous. Okay, I just found something that I hadn't banked on finding today, but it's exactly what I want for the motorcycle shop in the backyard. Take a look. Isn't that the most amazing red? Oh my goodness. This is gorgeous. And so it is Engelmann ivy, and that is full sun to perch shade and cold tolerance to zone 3. Plant height is 8 foot to 50 foot, which is perfect because I want it to trail across the side of the shop and all the way over the top. So this one is going to go into my basket today. Yes, ma'am. What is this? I don't know what this is. Let's see. Oh my goodness.
Chicago fire burning bush.
Chicago fire burning bush. Medium growing compact deciduous broadleaf shrub. So it'll lose its leaves.
And light sun or part shade.
Okay, but right now it's got these berries on here. Oh, it's starting to lose the leaves. But look at how red it gets before it loses it. It's gorgeous. Oh, and there's so many beautiful hydrangeas.
I love the leaf on this one here.
Limelight. Oh, and Mom's got one over here.
Well, this is showing different kinds.
Oh yeah, that's pretty.
But look at the leaf. Isn't that beautiful?
Oh yeah, the leaf is quite nice too.
Yeah.
Oh, and this one's purple and green, this flower in here. Oh, and what is that one?
Listen to this.
Look at Everlasting Revolution.
Yes, and it's a everlasting seasonal color change. So it changes with the colors, or with the seasons.
With the seasons?
Yeah.
No, it does not.
I can't believe that. Let's see.
Repeat flowering hydrangeas often disappoint because they bloom so sporadically. Revolution not only flowers on new and old wood, making it sure to bloom for everyone, but the flowers fade to magical color combinations of deep pink, maroon, and true blue, adding green highlights as they age over a long period of time. Oh, that is neat. That is a must-have.
It is.
Must-have.
2 going home. There we go.
2.
I think this is a really nice shape one too.
This one is so pretty. And this one is Little Lime. It's a panicle.
Oh, it is a little lime.
Yeah, it's a little lime, Mom. And yeah, shrub arbusto, little lime panicle hydrangea. That one's quite pretty too. The combination, same. All of these are the same. Oh, Pinky Winky. Oh, this one's quite sweet too. Pinky Winky. And I think all of these are Pinky Winky. Yeah. Wow, some of them get so big, the flowers.
Okay, we go home now.
You've got your one?
I've got my one.
Okay.
Bye.
Oh, yeah, we need the cart.
Runaway cart.
Oh, I love these too. What is this? Viburnum Summer Snowflake. Okay, tell me the story here. Dense, layered, upright deciduous shrub, so it loses its leaves. Flat clusters of white flowers bloom in pairs along horizontal branches. Small red berries attract songbirds in the fall. Blooms late spring and sporadically throughout the summer. Full sun to part shade. Ooh, 6 to 8 feet tall by 8 to 10 feet wide. A little too big for my area, but love it. It's beautiful. Rhododendrons. Oh yes, we probably have many of these. Let's see. Holden. We do. We have Holden actually at home. And we will show you a whole rhododendron video in the future, because we have many different varieties and species. I know we're digging in to see if there's anything we don't have.
Wine and roses.
Wine and roses. You have that one?
I have 3.
You have 3 of those. Of course
3.
you do. What's
Crete,
that one?
Crete I
Crete?
don't have.
Oh, I have Crete.
Yeah, and I've always liked Crete.
Yeah.
I think it's beautiful.
Is
leaf on
Crete,
there.
is it a white?
Yes.
Yes. Yeah.
Yeah, it's a
That's
beauty.
Crete.
It's worth having.
Yeah. And so again, in the spring, we can show you all of our rhododendrons in bloom. We have a few. 400 more?
Give or take.
Give or take. Oh, and Yaku Princess, Mom, you have that one.
I have that one.
Yeah. And that's a white flower as well. And it's really dainty and white. Mom has a lot of the yak variety, and because you like the little tiny flowers on
I
them.
do.
Yeah.
And I like the indimentum on the back of the leaves too.
Yes,
which are
it's
really
funny.
nice.
I'll have people come through my garden and they try to scratch this off, or you end up with this really neat skin on top of the green leaf, like this. And they'll try to scratch this off thinking that it's diseased,
It's not-
but it's actually part of the rhododendron.
That's right.
And we'll go into more detail on that on future videos. Oh my word, what is this? Wow. Wow. It's on display, it's not for sale. It is so beautiful. I can imagine the hummingbirds would die when they see this. And we found the echinacea. This one is Sombrero Fiesta Orange. Gorgeous. And then there's also pinks and pinks. That's not really, I guess it could be seen as pink. It depends on who's looking at it.
Yeah,
Pinky red,
Yeah.
definitely a pinky purple. Oh, look at this.
And look
This one's cool.
Isn't that beautiful when it's first coming into bloom?
Oh, what is this
Gorgeous.
one?
This one here is the
Sombrero
sombrero.
Sangrita. It's close enough to sangria. Let's take it.
That's right.
And 2 glasses,
Yeah.
please. That is beautiful. This is so sweet. This reminds me of little baby grandson. Oh my gosh, so cute. Myosotis, non-GMO. Okay, yep. And sun to part shade, mounding, and 6 to 8 inches high by 6 to 8 inches wide. Zone 6 to 8, and we are 8B. This should be fine, and definitely a sweet little baby addition into the garden. Going home. The small mums are quite lovely too, hey? And all the different colors, like red, pink, orange. Oh wow, this planter sure is neat. Ooh, there's the yellow. And the little rust color mum. Some succulents in there. I hadn't thought about doing the succulents. Oh, definitely some ideas in this one. I like this one a lot. Okay, this is very sweet as well. It has like the lilac-y blue and the white on it. That is very boy-like, isn't it? Come on. That's a grandson kind of flower, I would say. And it is known as Twister. It is Agapanthus africanus Twister. And I've got a tag here. Oh, there we go. And deer resistant, which is good. Full sun to part shade. And cold hardiness zone 7. Bloom time July to September. And only a couple feet, 24 inches tall. It says that it's deer resistant. I just wonder, because sometimes I've had them eaten. Super sweet, going in the cart. And it just keeps going and going. I love this place. And woolly thyme, which is Ozzy's favorite. Can never have too much woolly thyme in the garden. So I'm going to grab a few more of these and plant them across from where Ozzy currently lies down to watch Mama weed her garden. Oh, and I need 2 hands for this. All right, so I think I found it. I was looking for a plant that was small, although this isn't too small right now, but that's okay. But I also wanted it to be dark because this new little precious bean has dark, dark hair. So I think that the maple is going to be the way to go. And I have chosen this one, Bloodgood. It's going to have these deep reddish leaves, but it's going to get a really bright leaf in the fall. And it says on the back here that the height and spread in 10 years is 9 feet by 9 feet, which is absolutely perfect for the garden space that I'm thinking of. So let's see here. What else does it tell us? It says deep reddish purple leaves turning brilliant red in autumn. Similarly, colored flowers in mid-spring are followed by attractive red-winged fruits. Forms a dense, bushy-headed shrub, or, and this is what I like, a small, graceful tree. It is deciduous, so it will lose its leaves, but they will come back in the springtime. So this actually works great because it's a darker leaf for my new baby grandson, but it's also red, which is for my first baby grandson. He has red, beautiful hair. So it's a win for both boys. Okay, so they have their bulbs available for sale now for all the tulips and hyacinths and snowdrops, just a ton. So we are going to do a separate video when we do our big tulip shop, probably next week. So stay tuned on that because oh my, are we going to have some fun.
Where there's a will, there's a way.
This guy. And that concludes our shopping spree at Wildwood today. Thank you so much for joining me in buying the very first tree for the baby boy grandson garden that I'm going to develop. It's such an exciting and special day. I'm still my mind is blown. He's so cute. And of course my first grandson is too. So thank you so much, and remember, your dreams can become a reality too, just like ours have. All you have to do is take that very first step. Have a great day. Stop it. Okay. My new little bambino. Okay. So all you have to do is have a baby. And if that's not possible, at least go to the nursery and just buy a maple tree and get that planted in your garden today. I don't even know what I said myself. Have a baby.
No,
just pop it out.
no thanks. I'll pass.